Uncle Irish, you know that woman there? One nice lady, you know. She come from foreign. A long time no see her.
Foreign? Nice lady. 1 minute please. You know, so my nephew they are still now there in the street, you know. You know, so we are big a little thing though, yes still.
Just a minute have it. I mean, become it on a fast, but next time. Oh Jesus, that's why money can't get a boy. The money can't get a boy. This not good.
So let me think that people like them that be dead.
Uncle Irish, no say that.
Me man say that. Brother them be dead, brother. Me no business, me not take it back. You know why I say that? Them go foreign here and them a live big life. And we at Jamaica live poor life. And when they come here, they not give me nothing. They be dead, then too mean.
Uncle Irish, remember I know you go foreign go rate them hard earn money, you know, so then just can't come gear so.
Me no business. Them be give me things youth. Pant shirt and boot. You know what look cute? Let me tell you this youth. Then go find them have money. Enough money. Yeah youth. And they make they suffer and not give me a thing. Right now, the rest of them man they ugly, you know. We didn't even know if you tell us so she ugly, you know. She just ugly.
Uncle Irish!
That, I say the uncle one more time, you not gonna like you, them, you conking your forehead, you know. I say you man ugly, and me not take it back. She feel one fat brag. And that me I tell you. Are you ugly to you? That me I tell you, because them people have to do it. Nice lady. I feel me that?
Who you to? You feel a dog in a G-string. Excuse me. You know, little boy? Who you?